U.S. stocks closed on Thursday modestly higher in trading on Wall Street. Bill Stone, chief investment strategist from PNC, has the details.
Stocks in the U.S. fluctuated today, awaiting the monthly jobs report tomorrow. The S&P 500 closed slightly higher by a little over 0.1%, despite European stocks closing almost 1% higher. Utilities, financials, and healthcare sectors were the leaders today, with materials and energy leading the sectors lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was over 0.2% higher, and the Nasdaq rose by over 0.3%. The European Central Bank was the big news of the day, even in the U.S. While the ECB decision to leave the monetary policy rate unchanged was widely expected, asset purchases of 60 billion euros per month are set to begin next week. The ECB also made an improved GDP forecast of 1.5% growth, partly due to the decline in oil prices. European stocks were very strong, but the euro fell to a new low against the U.S. dollar at $1.10 per euro. U.S. economic data was a tad soft, with initial jobless claims rising to a 9-month high, while both non-farm productivity and unit labor costs were worse than expected. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield moved a bit lower today to yield 2.11%. Yields bottomed at the end of January at about 1.6%. Tomorrow brings the February jobs report, with payrolls expected to increase by 225,000 and the unemployment rate to tick down by 0.1% to 5.6%. Job growth, along with average hourly earnings, will be watched closely by the financial markets to better time the first rate hike by the Federal Reserve. This is Bill Stone, Chief Investment Strategist for PNC Asset Management Group.